Hi everyone, my name is Costa and today guys I'm gonna show you how to create horizontal scroll in Framer. So first I'm gonna create a frame, place it between these two sections right here, or I think I will move it one section down, and now I will call it tutorial, change the width to fill and the height to viewport, and then type in 300 VH. Click on layout and remove the fill, then go to distribute and click on start. Create another frame and I will call it sticky. Click on layout and remove the fill. And now I will create one last frame and I will name it cards wrapper. Click on layout and remove the fill as well. And so I will select my cards, press Ctrl X, select the cards wrapper and paste it inside. Click on cards wrapper, go to size and change the width to fit content and the height to fit content as well. Select the sticky and change the width to fill and the height to fit content, and make sure that the direction is horizontal. Click again on sticky and click on the left alignment. Select the section and then make sure that the overflow is visible. Click on scroll section and call it tutorial or whatever you want. Now go to desktop and make sure that the desktop has an overflow visible as well. Select the cards wrapper and add a gap of 100 pixels. Select the sticky, go to position and change from relative to sticky. Then for the top padding I will add 80 pixels. Now select the cards, go to effects, click on scroll transform. In the trigger drop down, select section and view. Make sure this icon right here is selected. Then go to section and select the section that we just created. Then click on from and here type in the first fill 1 and then in the second fill 1 as well. Go to offset and in the X field type in 1200 pixels. This depends actually on how wide is your breakpoint. So in my case it's 1200, therefore I will use this. Now go back, click on this right here, and here you need a negative offset. So I will type in 2300 pixels or even more. So I guess this looks right. Now I will press Ctrl P to preview everything. And that is how you create horizontal scroll in Framer, guys. Now for mobile, I suggest you to use vertical scroll because the experience on mobile might not be that good. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.